My name is Ethan Schumer, and I am the Accounts Payable Representative. I've been at Go Powertrain for 3 years come this June. I've learned so much about business. I almost feel like I've taken business classes, like learning things about just any general thing, anything about taxes or payroll, HR, anything like that. I assemble any sort of bill that we receive, and I also track any expense that we make. And I'm also responsible for sending payments to our vendors. My favorite part about Go Powertrain is the small feel, and we also have that family feel. Like all businesses say, like, oh, we're a family, but it's hard to say you're a family when it's like 1,000 employees versus 50 employees. Very close. We all have a lot of time to talk to each other. We all, share personal things with each other, and it's really like a family. The way that I help our customers is whenever a customer calls or emails, I make sure that their answer is questioned, whether by me or by the appropriate department. But I never want a customer to feel like we're not listening and we're not here, because we're always here for customers, always.